Assalamu alaikum. I hope we're doing well. Welcome to my class. Inshallah, we're going to have fun. Today's project is going to be simple, it's not hard. We're making sour cream treat box. Yes, you can use it for party favors. In case you want to organize birthday, you can just put something inside. So let's go straight to it. The materials we're going to need are a piece of paper that measures 8.5 by 5.5 inches. Now, 8.5 inches long and the width is 5.5 inches. You need glue, you need ribbon. So let's start. We're going to try and form a cylinder with your paper. You can score it at 1/2 inch, but it's not compulsory. Then you apply glue on the short side, that's the 5.5 side. Just apply your wet glue. I'm using double-sided tape because of the tutorial. If I were to use wet glue on a cardboard, this paper is a bit hard, then I'm sorry, it's going to take a long time before I leave today. So instead, I'm using a double-sided tape. It's a kind of glue that glues quickly. I'm taking my time. When I apply the glue, I want to press hard on where I've applied glue to make sure it adheres quickly. Then I'll apply glue at the bottom. Take your time, apply glue at the bottom of your paper. Press on the glue, wait a few seconds before turning to the other side. On the other side, this time around, you're not applying glue at the top of the box. Just try and train your paper so that when it's time for you to put your treat box, it's going to stay closed. Sometimes they call it self-closing box because when you put your treat box inside, depending on the kind of paper you're using actually, you can decide to use stapler. See, I told you it's simple and your work is done. You just put your bow, put your treats inside. Treats are goodies that you want to give your friends or something small like sweets. You want to put maybe while organizing, when you're organizing your birthday party. You see, you're done. I used a strong paper. I'm going to show you another tutorial where I used a lightweight paper. That's paper like A4. You can use paper like A4 as well. But this time around, it's printed paper. It's not just plain A4 paper. I'm going to use. So I'm just checking my work to make sure I'm fine. So here we are. Same thing again. I'm going to use a light paper like A4. It's just like I printed something on my paper. Still the same size, 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches. I'm applying glue. Take your time. This time around, I'm using liquid glue because it's a lightweight paper. You have to wait for it to dry. I know not all of us have double-sided tape. So wait for it. When you apply your glue, press on your glue so that it glues quickly and also it's not stuck in one area. Same process, apply glue at the bottom of your box. It's very, very easy, right? I bet you can do this. You can do 20 of this in one day. If you start in the morning, I'm sure you can do more than 20. And you're done. You try and fold the top of your box. Keep checking because the paper is light and you're applying something wet, it will take a while for it to dry. Be patient. You fold. So since we're not scoring, you can just fold lightly and you open it back. There are so many things you can do with these boxes. You can add a bunny's tail and rabbit ears. It's all up to you what you want to do with it. I can show you sample of how you can decorate this paper. It looks like ice cream, fan ice. Yes, it looks like that paper. And you're done. See, I told you it won't be hard. Then you can go ahead and put your treats inside again once you're done. Just make sure that your paper is not coming off. If you notice, my paper is still a bit wet, but because of demonstration purpose, that's why I'm going ahead to put the treats inside. But please wait for it to dry. And there you are. If your box is not closing, What you want to do is either you staple it so that whoever you give can open it themselves, so it doesn't open while it's still on the table before you present it to the person you want to give or to the people you want to give. You can add tag to it where you write happy birthday. If it's for birthday, you write happy birthday. Or if it's Eid, you want to give people sweets or candy, you can just write something on top and you present it to your friends. Even when you're having maybe a party, get together, either at home or in school, you don't have to spend so much money. You have something simple and yay! You give to your friends and your friends will be so happy. You can just write on it and that's all.